Is your fridge in a bit of a funk? If you're tired of opening the door to a smelly fridge, here are some quick tips on how you can get the freshness back. The first thing to do then is to empty your fridge and give it a good clean. Use warm water with a mild detergent. Something like this W Pro fridge cleaner is perfect. Now, the most common cause for the pong is your fridge simply not being cold enough. Fridges need to be between 2 and 5 degrees C to be cold enough to battle the bacteria that can cause those nasty odours. Now, if you don't have a temperature display, you can still make sure your fridge is working at the right temperature by using one of these, a handy fridge thermometer. Now, these can go in the door or sit nicely on the shelf. The next thing to check on is the state of your drain hole. Now, auto defrost fridge freezers have a wet wall at the back and a drain hole at the bottom, and these can become blocked with food and other bits and pieces from inside your fridge, which could lead to those nasty odours. So all you have to do is make sure the hole is unblocked using one of these, a drain hole unblocking tool. If you haven't got one of these, a pipe cleaner, a straw or a cotton bud will do the trick. So to unblock the drain hole, all you need to do is give it a few pokes. Lastly, you can keep the freshness going with products like these fridge deodorizers. They live inside your fridge, releasing freshness, and typically last for around 6 months. That's better. To order any replacement parts like fridge cleaners, drain hole tools, or fridge deodorizers, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.